Afghanistan is the graveyard of dream for Afghan women. It is more than 3 years that Afghan women are with no right of education, freedom of movement, and work. Afghan women are very sad and alone inside Afghanistan. I, as an Afghan woman, I, as a founder member of Women Rights Network Afghanistan, I really appreciate and I would like to say thank you on behalf of all Afghan women for organizing these vigils for Afghan women. This is such a powerful message for Afghan women, and Afghan women will not feel alone with you all. Thank you for your stand up with Afghan women. Please don't forget Afghan women. Afghan women need you. And with you all, Afghan women feel very strong day by day to continue fighting for asking about your own right, which is education, work, and freedom of movement. Woman, life, freedom. Thank you.